Hi students, hi to all of you. I hope all of you guys are doing great. Okay, I welcome all of you guys in this YouTube session. Okay, so today, as you can see, we are going to learn a very interesting topic, that is the Roman numerals. Have you heard about that? Roman numerals? Okay, so these are the very first, when the counting part started, Roman people, they were the first people who designed this system, okay, which we call them as Roman numerals, and they were using these Roman numerals to count the things. Okay, before that, okay, there were few ways to count, but there was no way to actually write the things down. Okay, so that is the time when Roman people, they invented this Roman numeral system. We are going to talk about that today. Okay, yeah. So I hope you guys are on attending this on the YouTube only. So we have an app also for that, ODA app. Okay, so you guys can download this ODA app from the Play Store as well. Okay, you guys can get the link in the description box. Okay, and before we actually start the session, let me talk about bridge courses. Okay, so we have few trial classes which starts on every Monday. Okay, what are the features? What are the bridge course? So 1 week will be the duration. Okay, 3 maths and 3 science classes will be there. Apart from that, you will be getting personal teacher support. Okay, homework will be given on the app, and last but not the least, okay, test will also be there on the app. We will talk about that part later. Okay, talking about myself, as you guys are seeing me for the very first time, my name is Rahul Chaudhary Bhardwaj. I will be your maths teacher for this session. I have more than 4 years of teaching experience, and I have taught more than 25,000 students as of now. Okay, and today I will be teaching you Roman numerals. Why Roman numerals? As I have already told you, that this was the very first system that was invented to write the numbers down. Okay, usually these days we don't use this system, but a few years back, few centuries back, they were quite common. Okay, everyone was using these Roman numerals only. Let's understand what are the Roman numerals and how we can learn them, how we can use them. Okay, so as you can see, people before the time, they simply used to use the sticks to count and to write. For example, if I have to write 5, what I will be doing, I will be simply writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then we have 4, 5. Okay, if I have to write number 10, I will be making 10 sticks, right? Don't you think it will take so much time if I will have to write number 50? How many lines will I have to make? So definitely we need some system which can help us write the bigger numbers also. That is where we got these Roman numerals. Okay, so we will be talking about these Roman numerals. Okay, so simply remember that there are 7 symbols which we are going to use. Okay, these 7 symbols, and we are done. Okay, if we will learn about these 7 symbols, each and every number we can represent with the help of Roman numerals. What are these 7 symbols? Let's have a look. So I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L 50, C 400, and then we have D 500 and 1000. Okay, so you guys can write them down also in your notebooks because they are really going to help us understand what are the Roman numerals. Okay, done? Good to go? Okay, perfect. So, okay, how to remember them? Rahul sir, you have told us 7 symbols. Now, how will I remember? What does I mean? What does X mean? How will I remember? Hold on, I have something for you. Okay, so I have this sentence for you. Can you read this sentence? My dear cat loves extra vanilla ice cream. I hope you also love vanilla ice cream. I like butterscotch. Okay, but yeah, this my dear cat, okay, she loves extra vanilla ice cream. Easy to remember this sentence? Actually, this sentence can help you remember all the symbols and their values. How? Have a look. My dear cat loves extra vanilla ice cream. Okay, so this is my M for 1000, D 500, C 100, L 50, X is 10, V for 5, I for 1. Clear? My dear cat loves extra vanilla ice cream. With the help of this sentence, you can remember all the 7 symbols and their values. Okay, so give me thumbs up in the chat box if you guys have understood this part, all the 7 symbols and their values. Okay, so that I can really start next. Come on, come on. Very nice. Okay, so to begin with, these are the first 10 numbers, how we can represent them with the help of Roman numerals. Okay, let's start one by one. So 1 for 1, 1 stick. Usual, simple method. 2 for 2 stick, 3 for 3 stick. Now, if I will keep on going like this only, I will fall into the same trap. Okay, let's do something different. So we have given 4 a new symbol, IV. We will talk about that later, how I got IV, why not something else. But as of now, understand that 4 is for, um, okay, 4 is for IV, 5 is for V. Okay, 6 VI, 7 VII, 8 will be VIII, then we have 9 IX, 10 X. Okay, yeah, we will learn about that, how we can make that. And you can make any number in the world with the help of these Roman symbols. Okay, yeah. Rule number 1. So I will be teaching you 3 rules. Okay, I will be teaching you 3 rules. This is the first rule. Very easy to learn, very easy to remember. Okay, the Roman digits I, X, C, and M are repeated up to 3 times in succession to form the number. Look at the symbols I, X, C, M. 3 symbols are missing, right? Can't we repeat them? We'll talk about that later. But as of now, focus that I, X, C, and M. These symbols we can repeat maximum 3 times in quick succession, not more than that. Okay, not more than that. So if I have I for 1, what will be II? II will be 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 2 i's 1, 1. Okay, 1, 1, 1. It will be 3. If x is 10, if I will repeat that, the values will keep on adding. Okay, 1x is equal to 10. If I am repeating the x, it means the values will keep on adding. 1x over here means 10, the other x means 10. 10 plus 10, 20. And similarly, x. Okay, 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. Easy? Give me thumbs up in the chat box. Easy? Right? That is how we can do. Whenever we have repeating symbols, only I, X, C, and M, only we can repeat them, nothing else. Okay, I know you guys are thinking, Rahul sir, why we cannot repeat V, L, and D? Why they are not repeated? I have the answer for that also. Okay, so let's suppose we can repeat them. Romans were so intelligent when they were inventing this system. Okay, they had all these questions in their mind and they have come up with the solution also. Why we can't repeat them? Let's suppose we can repeat them. Okay, let's suppose we can repeat them. So what will happen? Let's talk about V itself. Let's talk about V itself. I am going to repeat V. I am going to repeat V. So what according to you will this be? V. What is this? Repetition is there. I will be adding their values. This V, it means 5, and this V, it means 5. When I will be adding the value, answer will be 10. It means VV is equal to 10. But we already have a symbol for 10, which is X. We already have a symbol for 10, which is X. Why will I be needing 2 different symbols for that? Are you getting my point? Right? In Indian system also, when we have to represent number 10, this is the only way to write number 10. There is no other way. Then why for Romans we have more than one way? Make no sense, right? That is the reason why we don't repeat it. Similarly, if I talk about L also, L is 50. If I will be writing this 2 times, LL, it become 100. We already have a symbol for 100, which is C. Okay, so that is why remember this point, that V, L, and D, they are not repeated. Now how to remember, Rahul sir? How can I remember I, X, C, M? I can repeat V, L, D. I can't repeat. How can I remember? Okay, I will tell you how you can remember. Okay, so these are the only 3 symbols which have 5 in their values. These are the only 3 symbols which have 5 in their values. Okay, so these are the symbols which we cannot repeat. IXCM, they have 1 in their values. We can repeat them. Any symbol which has 5 in that, we can't repeat that. Good to go? Now you can remember? Perfect. Brilliant. Okay? Yeah. So now this is the time to do some practice. What is the Roman numeral for XX? Quickly, I want all of you guys to answer. What will be XX in Roman? Right? We are repeating. X is 10. The other X is also 10. So it will become 10 plus 10, 20. Option D is the right answer. Have you also given the same answer? Nice. Great. One more question. What is the Roman numeral for CCC? Come on, give it a try. CCC. C is 100, C is 100, C is 100. Combined, they will make 300. Option A, right answer. Okay, I can see that a lot of you guys are giving right answer. What does the Roman numeral VVI represent? Now, this is something which I want you to take a special look. VVI. What is that number? VVI. Okay, so V is 5. V is 5. This is 1. 5, 5, 1. It will be 11. Yes or no? It will be 11? No. No, it will not be 11. Remember, we have just learned V cannot be repeated. Okay, if you guys are thinking 11A is the answer, no, 11 is not the answer. This is not possible. We have learned rule number 1. V cannot be repeated. Okay, this is not possible. If you are thinking 11, we already have a symbol for 11. Okay, we don't need multiple symbols for the same number. Okay, chalo, next. What number does the Roman numeral I represent? Can you tell me? I. 4? You sure? This is 4? No? No, this is not 4? Yes, this is not 4. This is not possible. Okay, we can repeat. Yes, we can repeat, but only 3 times, not 4 times. Right? We cannot repeat the symbols more than 3 times in succession. So again, this is not possible. I hope you guys are able to understand. What is the Roman numeral for 30? Now the number is given. Tell me, what is the Roman numeral for 30? 30, I can simply write as 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10. And this will be nothing but x, x, x. That is the answer. Understood? All of you? Very nice. So that was the rule number 1 for you. I hope all of you guys have understand what is the rule number 1 and how we can do that. Okay. Now talking about the ODA app, remember I was telling you that right now we are in YouTube, right? But we have app also. Okay. And in app, you will be enjoying a lot of features there. Okay. Let me talk about these features. Okay, so starting on Monday, bridge course, as I have told you, starting on Monday, this is a brilliant course. Okay, where we will be teaching you for 1 complete week. For 1 complete week, we are going to teach you 3 math session and 3 science session. And these are not going to be normal sessions. We are going to teach you something really special, which you are not learning somewhere else, which can really help you understand all the concepts in a better way. Okay, so 3 topics of math and 3 topics of science. Personal teacher support. Just imagine you will be given one personal teacher, and that personal teacher will be taking care of you for 1 complete week. Whatever problems you are facing, whatever doubts you are having, you can get in touch with your personal teacher, and that personal teacher will give you all clarity on any topic. Okay, how amazing this is. Not only that, we will be giving you homework on the app also, not the boring homework, whatever we are going to teach you. Okay, so 4 or 5 questions as an MCQs we will be giving you. You can do that on app itself, and test will also be there. Okay, some amazing test, right? Okay, so you guys can download the ODA app by using the link in the description box. Okay, this is the link. You will find this link in the description box. Go and download the app right now. Okay, yeah. And okay, the price for the bridge course is just rupees 29. Okay, you want to enroll in the program, 29, only for 1 week. Okay, this kind of affordable education we are providing you in ODA class. Okay, now rule number one is done. I believe all of you guys have understood. Now let's come to rule number two. Very important. Rule number two, very important. Okay, so rule number two, I will just tell you about the rule number two. We will talk about that later on, okay, in next session. Okay, as of now, you simply understand that rule number two says if one or more letters are placed after another letter of greater value, we can simply add that amount. Okay, so we will go one rule at a time. I have told you one rule today. Practice this rule, okay, and then we will come up with rule number two in the next session. Okay, yeah. Last but not the least, I just want to tell you, I have told you about all these things. Okay, yeah. So download the app now and you will get some coins also. You have the chance to get some coins also. With the help of these coins, you can earn so many amazing gifts from the ODA app itself. You can purchase a water bottle, MI band, okay, soundbar, Redmi Note 10, and so many other exciting prizes as well. Okay, download the app now and join us in the Bridge Course program. We will be learning so many amazing things. Okay, so like and share, subscribe to our channel and join us in this journey. Okay, that will be all, guys. I'll see you next time. Take care and come back again in the next session.